Hello friends, welcome in my channel. Today we discuss how to use case and case in plsql. In this example program, I will take a month number from user and display month name. So let's start. First in the declare section, I am declaring a variable m of type number to take month number from user. Inside begin section, we have to ask user to enter a number using bind variable. Now we have to apply case and we have to decide on the basis of m. We have to write end case to end the case statement. Similarly, and to complete begin section and slash. Now inside case end case, we have to write when and the possible value. So when 1, then I want to display January. Similarly, we have to write few more when clauses like when 2, when 3, when some other value. So I'm writing when 1, January, when 2, then Feb. Similarly, when 3, March, and finally I am writing 12. And here I am writing December. But it may be possible that user enters something else. So we can write else statement. And inside else statement, I am writing invalid month. Now the program is ready. We have to save it and we have to execute it. You can save the program anywhere. I am saving it with the name case.sql. Now open SQL command line window. I am assuming that you are already connected with some user. Write set server out on and then open the program by writing @ and the location where the program is saved. Now it is asking for the month number. I am saying 1. So the message is January. Again execute the program, say 3. It is saying March. But if you give some invalid month like 13, it says invalid month. So friends, you have seen how we can use case and case in plsql. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thanks.